Hi all, hope you all are doing good and welcome back to Sprinkle Stories. Firstly, happy Dashera to all of you from us to you. Today we are preparing potato cheese balls. So this is really very interesting and easy recipe. So let's quickly jump into recipe. Firstly, I have taken 3 to 4 medium sized boiled potatoes and I am smashing it into coarse. So now let us smash it really very nicely that there are no lumps, and let us scrape the edges and bring all the smashed potatoes in the middle. Here goes 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of dry oregano leaves and 1 tablespoon of pizza seasoning, and salt as per your taste, and 1 tablespoon of maida. And here I have taken 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. If you are a cheese lover, you can add extra. So if you don't like cheese, you can always go ahead and skip this. So I have taken a bowl. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maida here, and I'm adding little bit of water to make a thick paste, and please make sure there are no lumps formed. So now please follow as shown in the video. I have taken a portion of the potato mixture and I'm making it in a shape of roller, and now I have dipped the potato mixture in the maida paste, and now I am rolling the mixture of potato on the breadcrumbs and I have kept it aside. Please follow the same procedure for each and every cheese balls, and let's keep it ready in a plate. So I have taken here oil to fry, and see, our potato cheese balls are ready to be fried. So I'm going to drop one by one really very gently, and please do not saute this immediately. Once you drop, let the outer portion of the rolls get little bit thickened, only then we will have to roll them over. And please cook them in a medium flame. Let it not be too high and too low. So cook them until they are crisp and fine from outside, and please make sure they are cooked evenly. So here I am cooking them until they are fine and crisp and they just turn into golden brown. So now this consistency is perfect. I am transferring them onto tissues to absorb extra oil. Ta-da! Our potato cheese balls are ready to enjoy. You can have them with sauce or mayonnaise. It tastes really good. It can be your kids' favorite too. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.